My time at Unified Mentor was quite good. Uh, yeah, Unified Mentor provided me uh, enough material to make a real time project in the field of machine learning, and I already had a prior knowledge of machine learning, but indulging myself into a project in machine learning actually helped me just refine all the stuff I've learned before. And also the video materials were pretty fine for uh, just giving me a quick revision and everything. And yeah, my both of my projects, mobile phone price prediction and vehicle price prediction, both of them were good enough to just give me a boost and also give me some experience on projects real time. And yeah, I think, and I'm also glad to have worked in Unified Mentor. Thank you.